before we go to Popeyes, just want y'all to know that, you know, we should support our ecosystem and, like, you know, the Amazon's on fire and shit. So.
What the fuck are you talking about?
That's like 20% of our oxygen, so all y'all get worried about some Popeye sandwiches, but we should be worried about our Amazon.
We gotta be worried about the Amazon.
Hey guys.
What the hell was that?
Alright, enjoy the video.
45 minutes for not have no chicken sandwiches.
45 minutes.
For no sandwiches.
For no damn fries.
No fries, no coleslaw. I mean, I don't like coleslaw.
Yeah, no.
Just chicken sandwiches.
We dead drove 45 minutes just to get this sandwich. For them just to not have it. And they don't have the chicken. I'm so mad. The drive-thru comes all the way over here for these damn sandwiches. And it's packed inside, yo. Look at this. God damn.
Yeah, man. They said this shit like a Christmas miracle, man. They saying like when it touch your mouth, like it's heaven. It's like the pickle tastes like chicken too. They said you can order one that got its own hot sauce in it, man. I don't know. I'm just here to find out what's true and what's not.
Yeah. Finally made it to the front.
Yo, no pickles on any of them.
We dead been sitting here for like 30 minutes, literally. We got our drinks. We've been sitting here for 30 minutes. Finally, we just got our chicken or whatever. We got our drinks. Hold the bags up.
I don't have a drink.
We got all these. We walked out with all these bags. Like, it's crazy. So we was in there for like 30 minutes. No exaggeration.
At least 40 minutes.
But we're gonna see if these chicken sandwiches is all that, because the drive-through line is still crazy. Inside is still crazy. So we're gonna see. Spicy ones, and of course no pickles, because nobody got time for pickles.
It smells pretty good though.
Yeah. It does smell good.
Smell like it's gonna cancel my dance for us. Oh shit, it look pretty too.
No, let's all eat at the same time. First, y'all ready?
No, you gotta get mad chicken, bro. You gotta get all the chicken.
That's what I'm saying.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
Hold on.
Oh.
Hold on.
I'm kind of
Hold up.
Oh
Okay.
my god, bro.
So
Let me get another bite.
this is fucking delicious. This shit is crunchy.
Hold on.
Oh no, I gotta tell the world about this.
Hold on.
Hey! If y'all getting this chicken sandwich, this shit's fucking delicious! My gosh.
Oh my god, look.
You need to hurry to Popeyes, man. Hurry up to Popeyes.
I dead ordered 5 of them, yo.
And this shit is dead ass crunchy too. Like, it's not like.
It's like the perfect amount of crunch too.
Oh, you motherfucker! Oh, you motherfucker! This sandwich is mad fucking good!
Alright, let's compare it. Well, none of us had Chick-fil-A before. I want to try it. But the only like good chicken sandwich I've ever had, like besides this, was at Burger King. Have y'all tried it? I feel like compared to Burger King, this is 1,000 times
This tastes
better.
like this tastes like a real chicken sandwich.
It is a chicken sandwich. It is real chicken. And it's fresh. It's not old.
The spicy one's good.
Dancing on my tongue.
I got the regular one. You got the spicy one?
Look at it glistening. No, I got the spicy one.
Yo, Jay, let me take a bite. It's spicy.
It's not good enough.
Look at it. Hold up, look how good this is. You just see the steam coming off. It was worth the wait. That
Cloud chasing, add me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram.
Contact right there. Boing.
You're welcome.
Oh my god.
I really can't believe we waited 40 minutes for this thing. But it's worth it.
It was worth the little.
We
Why
go
you guys give
45
me?
minutes to wait 45 minutes to
I
eat
didn't
for
I
4
would
seconds.
drink that whole
Facts.
shit. And you see the bev, iced tea, peach mango. I said iced tea.
Nigga. So good. God damn! Nigga was thirsty.
Yo, this chicken sandwich is fucking busting, nigga. This shit stuck in my throat. Literally, since we've been here, I've seen like 6 people come up to the door, look in the window, and just walk away.
How long the line is?
Like,
oh, doing.
oh my god, it's right back. Oh, it's in the car.
She's doing her sandwich.
Oh my god. Oh my god. We back here. It's like hours later. Cause this nigga wants another one.
Gotcha.
But the drive-thru is long as hell.
Wow.
I bought extra. So I'm about to eat this. Oh, and it's still warm. Yeah, it's still warm. Yep, I'm about to eat this. But yeah, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. And I'll see you next week.